Let's prepare a high poly model of the lantern for baking its details into a low poly one. Before explaining what was done, I want to show a few more details that are simple yet still add some realism, which were modeled using the methods described in the previous tutorials. In cases like this, I reduced the number of faces and applied mean bevel weights, and added a bevel modifier, so that later to quickly switch to a low poly model by simply cancelling the modifiers. Here I also reduced the number of edges. Here on the contrary, added a couple of edges for smoother flow. In this example, the support loops are needed for the high poly model, but for the low poly model we will remove them. I didn't touch the high poly fuel cap. Almost no changes to the low poly fuel cap. Minor changes to the glass. This part was eased by redirecting a couple of edges. We can easily select certain parts by giving them different mean bevel weights. This edge loop doesn't belong here. Let's change its mean bevel weight. For various wire details, 6 segments across were used. We will dissolve these edges for low poly model. No significant changes were made for the frame. Here again a number of edges was reduced. Here I tried to be consistent with the quartz. Not that it's vital on hard surfaces, but still. See you on the next lesson.